evening, everyone. My name is Mugdha and I'm a PCOS nutritionist at Veera Health with over 5 years of clinical experience. To tell you guys a little bit about myself, I have completed my associate's degree in nutrition and dietetics from Arizona, US. I have worked in a couple of hospitals which allowed me to use medical nutrition therapy. For me, food is medicine, and if the right kinds of foods are used in right kinds of proportion, then it has the ability to heal our bodies. And that's exactly what we do at Veera Health as well. So guys, at Veera, we follow a unique technique to help you sustain the lifestyle changes you make for the long run. Right? We call it the habit building plan. We don't just give away 5 to 6 diet plans and ask you to go your way. No, what we do is we focus on building small habits at a time. So the habit we are going to focus today is replacing your simple carbs with your complex carbs. Carbs are an essential part of a healthy diet as they provide with fuel. They provide you with energy to carry out your day-to-day tasks. Some carbs like wheat, maida and white rice are simple carbs that are easily broken down by your body, right? And sugar is released from them. This sugar is rapidly absorbed into the blood. Your blood, what it does is it carries this sugar from your gut to the rest part of your body, where it enters cells and is broken down further to basically produce energy. But sugar cannot just enter your cells. It needs insulin hormones' help. Insulin, what it does is it knocks on your cells that open the doors to allow sugar to enter. For PCOS patients though, your cells have become resistant to the knocks of the insulin hormone. They can no longer hear the knocks, right? So to make your cells basically open the doors, your body produces high levels of insulin. High amounts of insulin in the blood is bad for you. It leads to different problems or issues like weight gain. It increases your male hormone production, which leads to irregular periods, then hirsutism, acne, and hair loss. Because simple carbs are broken down easily, they rapidly spike up the sugar levels in the blood. When sugar levels go up, this spikes up the insulin levels in the blood, which basically what it does is it worsens your PCOS symptoms. Instead, complex carbs like ragi, oats, brown rice are difficult for your body to digest. So sugar is released gradually into the blood, and hence preventing any insulin spikes and keeping your PCOS symptoms under control. Slow digestion of food and gradual release of sugar also curbs your cravings by making you feel fuller for a longer amount of time, which also aids with your PCOS weight loss. Moreover, complex carbs are great for your gut health. That's a great news, right? So they are a great source of fiber which aids your digestion, and they promote growth of good bacteria in your gut, which helps control weight gain, insulin resistance, and inflammation as well. So as PCOS patients, the most important habit you need to build is basically replacing your simple carbs in your diet with your complex carbs. Our diets are full of simple carbs, so it can be difficult to suddenly make this change. This shift can be difficult, right? So go slow, take one step at a time. This will help your body, this will give some time to your body and your taste buds as well to get adjusted to the new foods, so that over time they become a habit that comes naturally to you. It has to be organic, right? So follow Veera's habit building plan by replacing white rice in your diet with brown rice. And if you eat like idli and dosa made up of rice on a regular basis, then replace that with idli and dosa made up of oats, for example. So focus only on this habit for 1 to 2 weeks. After you have mastered this habit, right, focus on replacing your wheat rotis and your parathas with ragi roti or moong dal chilla for 1 to 2 weeks. Finally, once you have mastered this habit, focus on replacing white bread with brown bread or multigrain bread, poha with your oats upma, and your regular routine sugary breakfast cereal with oats, eggs, dalia or chia seeds as well. A bowl of oats with fresh fruits and a pinch of cinnamon tastes just amazing. It's yum. Try it out, guys. Focus on these habits one at a time until they become organically, like normal for you. It has to become a part of your lifestyle. Your care manager will help you form these lifelong habits. So make sure to send pictures of your food plates on a daily basis through our Veera app. To summarize, simple carbs spike your insulin in your blood and are unhealthy for your gut. They worsen your PCOS symptoms, make you feel lethargic, fatigued, and also increase your cravings. Replacing them with complex carbs will improve your PCOS symptoms. Okay? Curb your cravings, make you feel fuller and satisfied for a longer amount of time. It also increases your energy levels and it will give you a good and a healthy gut. Alright, I hope this helps. Thank you.